6 Most detrimental impacts of Dutch colonialism on the Indonesian nation. Colonialism in Indonesia has left various impacts, particularly the profound impact of Dutch colonialism on the nation's history. For more than 3 centuries, Dutch rule has had a detrimental impact on Indonesia's development and progress. To learn about the most detrimental impacts of Dutch colonialism, read this article. The most detrimental impacts of Dutch colonialism. According to the book 3. 5 Century of Dutch Colonialism by Husni Abdullah Mubarak, Dutch colonialism lasted from the 17th to the 20th century. Beginning with the VOC Trading Company, this colonization continued when the Dutch East Indies government implemented several policies, including the Force Cultivation System, which existed from 1830 to 1870. This article will discuss the most detrimental impacts of Dutch colonialism on the Indonesian nation, namely 1. Exploitation of natural resources. Dutch colonialism involved intensive exploitation of Indonesia's natural resources. The Dutch exploited natural resources, such as peaches, rubber, copper, and petroleum, for their own economic gain. Local communities were brutally exploited and forced to work on plantations and mines under low wages and poor working conditions. 2. Educational and intellectual restrictions. During the colonial period, the Dutch deliberately limited access to education for the Indonesian people. They only provided limited education to a small indigenous elite, who then acted as intermediaries in implementing colonial policies. This created a significant educational gap between the indigenous people and the Dutch and hampered the intellectual and social development of Indonesian society. 3. Political and economic restrictions. Dutch colonialism also involved significant political and economic restrictions. The Dutch colonial government controlled nearly all sectors of the economy, hindered the development of local industries, and protected its own economy. Interests. Indigenous capitalists were prevented from developing and competing, while the political system was designed to maintain Dutch dominance and exclude indigenous political participation. 4. Shift from feudal system to capitalist. Dutch colonialism in Indonesia had a significant impact, resulting in the shift from feudalist to capitalist. Dutch colonialists introduced an economic system that benefited the Dutch, but disadvantaged the Indonesian people. The Dutch introduced the Force Cultivation System, Kulturstelsel, where indigenous people were required to grow cash crops such as coffee, tea, and indigo for export to the Netherlands. 5. Exploitation of culture and identity. The Dutch also destroyed and exploited Indonesian culture and identity. They banned local cultural practices, introduced an education system that replaced traditional values, and undermined the social fabric of Indonesian society. 6. Division and disunity. Dutch colonialists deliberately divided Indonesian society to maintain its dominance. They employed a strategy of divide et impera, divide and rule, and reinforced differences between ethnicities, religions, and tribes. This created tensions and conflicts between ethnic groups in Indonesia that continued into the post-colonial era and still have an impact today. The various detrimental impacts of Dutch colonialism on the Indonesian people cannot be ignored. These impacts have given rise to social, economic, political and cultural inequalities that are still felt today.